Alright, so as you guys have just seen, you just watched me put the 4-valve 4.6 liter motor into the car, and then I went over to the pieces of me talking, and as you guys can see, there's absolutely no audio. I usually use a Video Road Micro, and I've used their mics in the past, but recently this has been happening more and more frequently where I use the mic and then I come home to edit, or I check the video and then there's no audio. So forgive me if the audio is going to be a little off for the rest of my videos for a little while till I figure out a mic situation or figure out what's the best option to not let this happen again, because it is super frustrating to record an entire video and then come out with no audio. So forgive me if the audio sounds a bit off, but yeah, the entirety of the rest of that video has absolutely no audio, just like this hissing noise, like when a TV's on and nothing's on, like that. Alright, so as you guys have just seen, the 4-valve motor is back in the car, and I believe I was showing you guys that it's only January 11th and I was putting it back in. I know I have a few videos backed up that you guys are gonna see in the next few weeks because I'm doing Monday and Wednesday uploads. I really appreciate the response that I've been getting to these videos. My views have been going up very good. The likes have been going up, the interactions have been going up, the comments, stuff like that. So I'm going to continue to upload Monday and Wednesday for a while, and then as I continue I might do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and so on and so forth. But yes, the 4-valve motor is back in the car. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I got everything right this time and we're going to be able to break in this motor, get it tuned, and have some fun with this thing, do some racing, do some drifting, just pretty much do everything to enjoy the car. We've definitely put in so much work to get to this point, so I'll definitely be doing a lot of driving videos, and most likely videos where if you guys want to know, I can go into deeper detail about how I've done certain things about the swap. But for right now, the motor's in the car and it is ready to go. So there's not much that I have to do to actually get it running. I can hook up the fuel line, it's one line. The wire harness is very easy for me to do. I've already had it done. So I just got to put the wire harness on and put on that connecting block that has that little 10 screw in it, and it's pretty much ready to go. You just have to plug everything in. Other than that, we should be good to go when it comes to this 4-valve swap. I have a piece of my exhaust pipe to put on the passenger side and get it welded up. It seems like when I got the exhaust done, my motor mounts were bad and they like allowed the motor to shift in a weird position. When I put brand new motor mounts on it this time, the motor shifted forward a little bit. So now my exhaust doesn't reach quite well. So what I did was I cut that piece off just to get the motor to sit in the car. And now I'm gonna bolt the exhaust right up to it and pry the pipe in the position that I need it and do my best to weld it up myself. I'm not the best welder, and nor do I have a good welder, but hopefully I can just get it to seal where we can start driving this thing and doing some pulls in it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.